Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Xbox looking for group LFG features. So the looking for group LFG features help you find players for multiplayer games. So to get it started, you have to open the FLG features, press the Xbox button on your controller, then go to people, then under people click on looking for group, then on the step 2 find a group, so select search for a post, then choose a game. Then on number 2 you have to browse post or use filter to find right group, then click on I'm interested to join. Then on the step 3 you have to create your own LFG group post, then select create a post, then choose a game and add a description, e.g. needs to speed player for co. Then also select player preference, game mode, skills and level, then click on post to share it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.